I just went to Walmart and got strange fruit. This is Horace.
Did you get
I was not aware.
mango?
This is Horace. I was not aware that this was a fruit before. It's called a Canary Melon, and yeah, it's heavy and it looks like an alien egg. And we just looked up on the internet how to cut it, so we'll show you the inside. Oh, and Julia, you can say what you wanted to say now.
Did you get a strange mango?
That's actually a YouTube channel, so I'll link you here.
Okay, you're gonna need to move because I'm gonna stab you and myself.
Moving.
This is gonna be really interesting.
Focusing.
Okay, oh, that's pretty easy to cut through.
Horace, no! Okay, I bet there's gonna be a whole bunch of canaries that come out of the middle of it.
Ah!
Or an ood.
Yes.
Focus. It looks kind of honeydewy.
It smells good.
I wish you could smell smells of the internet.
I wish you could smell smells over the television. Do you know how much food they sell?
I know, right, dude?
Actually, I don't wish that. I take that back.
Okay, eat your fruit.
But it's more like honeydew texture.
It kind of... See, I get like a little watermelon-y taste in it too.
At the end, like the aftertaste.
Yeah, but it like honeydew texture, kind of cantaloupe-y immediate taste.
Nom nom nom. I don't recommend using a conventional wooden cutting board when cutting up brains.